Introducing UB Plus, the portable spherical hi-fi speaker with implosive bass. With a spherical enclosure without any edges, nooks, or corners, UB Plus comprises no sound expanding at any angles, so its high-quality spatial sound can travel freely and evenly. It's transparent, immersive, clean, and authentic. UB Plus is your best choice when you want to enjoy a relaxing day. Through the UB Plus app, you can remotely control the speaker. With the cutting-edge design, UB Plus makes your music cover your entire backyard. UB Plus also supports true wireless stereo technology. By connecting two of them together through Bluetooth, you can create a stereo system with exceptional home theater sound effect. You can also control your UB Plus with the buttons on the back. UB Plus can fit on a table or the wooden legs. And it's only 2 pounds, so you can easily take it to anywhere you like. Or hang it up. Enjoy the sound from above. And you can position UB Plus in any angle you want. Its sound quality won't be affected.
Changes come into my life. I finally feel alright, and I can feel it. Seasons change, I'll be alright.
You can have multiple color opinions for UB Plus. Make it suit your particular style. With the advanced Qualcomm chip, UB Plus is capable of producing a true-to-life balance of treble, medium, and bass. It's easy to charge. And it can work 30 hours non-stop. UB Plus, a new paradigm in speaker design.